Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a traditional South African recipe. I will show you how to make the famous biltong tart. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. You will need the following: 460 grams of margarine, 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of cake wheat flour, 50 grams of powdered biltong, 2 eggs, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 cups of milk and marmite or poverol.
Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and prepare a baking dish.
Mix the margarine, eggs and sugar until creamy. Add the milk, flour and baking powder.
Mix until well blended. Bake for 45 minutes to an hour.
When it's hot, cover it completely with poverol. Melt a cup of butter and pour it over the hot tart. Let it cool down. Sprinkle the powdered biltong over the tart before serving. Thanks for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I will see you next time. Bye guys.